In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void a check in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring your books stay balanced. Mistakes happen and sometimes checks need to be voided for various reasons. Maybe there was an error in the amount, or perhaps the check was issued to the wrong vendor. Whatever the reason, voiding a check correctly ensures your accounting remains precise. To begin this process, you'll first need to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a search icon, which looks like a magnifying glass. This tool is incredibly useful for quickly finding transactions, especially when dealing with records from a previous year. Click on this icon to help you locate the specific check you need to void. You can search using the check number, the vendor's name, or even the amount of the check. Use whichever identifier you have on hand for the fastest results. After entering your search criteria, you'll see a list of search results. From there, simply click on the check you want to work with to open it. Now that you have the check open on your screen, we're ready to move on to the next step, voiding the check. Look towards the bottom of the check window, and you should see a button labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, select the option that says Void. Once you choose this option, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It's always good to double check that you've selected the correct check, so be sure before proceeding. Click on Yes or Void Check in this prompt to finalize your action. And there you have it. Your check is now voided in QuickBooks Online. Following these steps not only helps you correct any issues, but it also maintains the integrity of your financial records. If you ever need to reference the voided check in the future, know that QuickBooks keeps a record of all transactions, voided or otherwise, thereby ensuring complete transparency. It's a straightforward process, but managing it accurately is key to effective bookkeeping. Thanks for tuning in today to learn about voiding checks in QuickBooks Online. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to reach out. Keep managing those records diligently, and I'll see you in the next tutorial for more QuickBooks tips. Happy bookkeeping!